One powerful website to make money online. Easy and legit. Hi everyone, have you ever wondered if there is one website that can change the way you make money online? What if I told you that today I will show you just one powerful website that can help you start earning from home, no matter your skill level? Stay tuned, because this could be breakthrough you have been waiting for. Making money online can be overwhelming with so many options. How do you even know where to start? Complicated processes and sites that never pay out. But what if there is one website that is legit, user-friendly, and actually helps you earn consistently? Let me introduce you to a platform where anyone can start earning today. A freelancer, a creative, or just someone with basic computer skills, these sites offer incredibly opportunities to make money. With millions of users and global clients, the potentials here is huge. Now let me show you how exactly to get started on this site. Follow this simple step to set up your profile. Create a gig or list your product and services. Whether you're offering graphic design, data entry, writing, or even voiceover services, there is always something for everyone. Now let's head over to Upwork and sign up for free. Set up your profile to showcase your skill. Create your first listing of service offering. Share your gig with potential clients, and you're good to go. Now, what are the tips on how to stand out or get your first few jobs? Tip number 1, you have to increase your chances of landing gigs. Offer competitive price when you are just starting, and always deliver high quality work. Now let's talk about money. How much can you actually earn in this website? Well, depending on the services you offer and how dedicated you are, people make anywhere from $100 to $10,000 per month. And remember, as you gain more experience and reviews, your earning potential skyrockets. For example, a friend of mine who started with as low as charging $50 to $70 per transcription or per entry. Imagine what an extra $500, $1,000, or even $5,000 a month could do for you. This possibility are endless when you start taking action. If you are ready to dive into the online earning, click the link in the description to get started. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on making money online. I encourage you to leave a comment and share your experience with us. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and remember, your financial freedom starts with just one step. See you in my next video. Bye.